Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Daily Drug Info, and don't forget to subscribe Daily Drug Info to watch new videos. Today I will describe oral dose of Vancomycin. Drug generic name Vancomycin, its classification glycopeptides, indications are specific only Clostridium difficile associated diarrhea. Uses in detail. Vancomycin is an antibiotic used to treat infection. This form of vancomycin is used to treat a certain intestinal condition, colitis, caused by bacteria. This condition causes diarrhea and stomach, abdominal discomfort or pain. When vancomycin is taken by mouth, it stays in intestine to stop the growth of certain bacteria that cause these symptoms. This antibiotic treats only bacterial infection in the intestine. It will not work for bacterial infection in any other part of body or for viral infection such as cold, common flu. Using any antibiotic when it is not needed can cause it to not work for future infections. Oral dose 120 5 mg per oral Q6 hours for 10 days. How to administer per oral dilute vial with 30 ml of water for oral administration. Pregnancy status C. Adverse effects are nausea, abdominal pain, hypokalemia. Thank you for watching Daily Drug Info.